Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel with me, Jster. Hope you're doing good today. Hope you're having an awesome day. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be showing you my top favorite 3 iPhone wallpaper apps. Now, if you're like me, you like having some pretty cool backgrounds on your iPhone, or I don't know if these are in Android devices. If they are, let me know in the comments down below. I'd really like to know. But for iPhones, I love having that nice minimalistic clean 4K high retina wallpapers. Now if you guys are interested and like this video, make sure that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's check this video out, shall we? Now here I'm going to be showing you my first app here. Now again, these are going to be my top favorite 3. Now the first app that we have here is going to be called Suret. Now Suret is of course wallpaper app that has different categories that you guys can go through. Now with these 3 apps, they're mainly pretty much free, but they are paid versions as well. But as you guys can see here, this is, and I'm going to be showing you the free things that you can do with these apps. Now you guys can go and browse through these photos, and you guys can see right here that you can just browse through them, and you can actually have a little feature here on the right side that you can click on that shows you the photo and how it looks on your phone. So that's a nice feature right there to see how the wallpaper will look on your phone. Then you can just download it and it'll be right in your photos. Very nice and easy. Now Suret has 11 categories that you guys can go through, and you can even create some of your own photos where you can add a blur effect and all that good stuff. But they have plenty of choices to choose from. Now there are some paid as well, and you guys can actually either pay for the premium version, or you guys can just watch an ad as you guys saw, and once you watch the ad, it gives you the access to download the wallpaper. So that's pretty cool. Now the next app here that I'm going to be showing you is Wallcraft, another free app that you guys can download in the App Store. Now Wallcraft I really like because it has a lot of categories that you guys can go through. They go by 3D, abstract, animals, anime, art, cars, city. There's a lot of categories that you guys can go through that I really like. If you guys want to get specific in what kind of photos you want on your phone. And this app is supported all the way down to, I believe, iPhone 4S and 4. So, you know, it goes back a long way. So you guys can download plenty of wallpapers, and there's a bunch of them. So you guys can go crazy and download it as much as you want. They have 4K HD quality photos. As you guys can see here, I'm browsing through, checking out this level up photo right here. Again, this app also allows you to check the photo on your phone, how it would look like. If you guys like it, you can just download it. And they do have 2 modes. Of course, being high quality photos, they do take up quite a bit of memory on your phone, but you know, it is what it is. It's well worth it to have these high quality photos on your phone. Again, you can go through by categories and just download it very easy, and it'll be right on your photos, and you guys can just assign them as your wallpaper. Very easy and very nice. I highly recommend these apps if you, like me, like having HD 4K quality photos on your phone, especially if you're rocking new Retina displays like the iPhone 10s, 11s, 12s. Really nice. Now the next app here is called Vibe, another great wallpaper app here. Very easy, and of course this one also has subscription as well. You guys can go by 1 month subscription, 6 month, and up to a year. They do have categories as well, and going through here, browsing through the photos, you guys can see very beautiful, vibrant HD 4K quality photos. Really like them and dig them. Of course, since they are free, some of them are going to be having ads that you guys can go through here, and once the ad finishes, within a couple of seconds, you can just download it, and it'll say right there wallpaper saved to your photos. So you can just go to your photos here and just assign it as your wallpaper, and very easily and fast. You guys have very nice HD 4K Retina quality photos, and I really love that. Really love having these pretty vibrant backgrounds on my phone. If you guys like this video, make sure that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're well on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, guys, if you guys found this video useful, make sure that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.